Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Waqar. I'm your friend Waqar and today I'm starting a tutorial series where I teach how to create a fully functional e-commerce WordPress website with Flatsome theme. To learning how to create WordPress e-commerce website, you don't need to have any web development experience. Either you are a student or you are creating your own e-commerce store. This is the demo website named Shop Mini Big that we will create and learn how to create fully functional e-commerce WordPress website. Let's explore this website. There is a logo. We will learn how to create your own logo, a menu bar, social icons and header section, and then we will create our product. You will learn how to add or create any product by category. Women shirts, this is a woman shirt category. Women's pants, this is a woman pant category. And the last, the footer, you will learn how to create a eye-catching footer. Let's go to catalog page. Catalog page is a page where are all products shown. You can find by category all products. You can filter price. You can filter the product by price. This is our catalog page. Let's click one of the product. This is called single product page where all the description of the desired product shown. Here is the title of the product, price of the product. This is called short description of the product. If someone your buyer or your customer purchase, he or she can review after purchasing the product. Let's check the functionality of add to cart. Click on add to cart. Once we click the add to cart button, the product will add to cart. You can view cart or check out directly. Let's click on view cart. If you allow your customer to add the coupon code, then it will give them a discount. We will also learn how to create coupon codes. At this time we do not have any coupon code. Let's proceed to checkout. This is the checkout billing detail page where we enter our information of billing and shipping address. Then we will set our payment method, direct bank transfer or cash on delivery. Once we fill this, then we click on place order. Our order will be placed. I will be waiting for you guys to join me in the next video where we start learning how to create a fully functional e-commerce WordPress website by setting up the themes and plugins. Before going, hit the subscribe and like button.